2 Magistrates Court was stunned this afternoon by revelations that Israel Waswa, a bodyguard to Pastor Jackson Ssenyonga, allegedly approached a forensic expert by posing as a legal representative from Ojambo and Ojambo advocates. Sources reveal that Waswa was working on orders of Pastor Ssenyonga. Waswa is one of 8 suspects accused of conspiring to tarnish the image of Pastor Robert Kayanja and is a convicted robber, having served 2 years for aggravated robbery and assault. The revelation came during a heated cross-examination by State Attorney Jonathan Muwaganya and a questioning Uganda police forensic expert Enoch Kanene admitted he did not ask Waswa for identification when they met, despite collaborating with him throughout the forensic process. Those in attendance were left dumbfounded after it was revealed that there were over 40 calls between the two, with the prosecution providing a phone matrix as evidence. The two reportedly first made contact after Kanene called the law firm to clarify a discrepancy regarding a phone model mentioned in a request letter. According to testimony, Waswa arrived at the court following a call from someone identifying himself as a member of the Ojambo legal team. Exchange in court. During the exchange in court, the state attorney asked Kanene to identify the accused. Kanene pointed to the dock and confirmed that Israel Waswa was the individual in question. The state then pressed further, asking whether Kanene had been in contact with the accused prior to the examination and if he was aware that Waswa was involved in the case. Kanene responded that he did not know who Waswa was at the time, explaining that Waswa had never identified himself despite them communicating throughout the process. The state attorney went on to suggest that Waswa had called Kanene about 40 times, a claim Kanene denied. When asked how many times they had actually spoken, Kanene stated that he could not remember the exact number. The defense raised a sharp objection, arguing that the call data was protected and could only be secured via a court order. The state attorney countered by producing the necessary legal documents. I have proof that the witness and the accused were in regular contact. I obtained this data lawfully, as evidenced by these court orders, Your Honor. The defense further argued that the data involved a third party, Robert Ojambo, whose privacy should be protected. Magistrate Adams Biarugaba intervened, ruling that while the state held valid orders, the specific data matrix involving third parties could not be publicly displayed, though the state could continue